So let's head to the Facebook app. Then click on your profile at the top right corner. Now go to Settings, and in the search bar look for Profile Lock. This option is only available in selected countries, so if you have the option of lock your profile, you just have to click on it and enable it. By doing that, you'll be locking your account, and only your friends will be able to see what you post as a story, as a reel, or whatever you post in Facebook generally. Now, if you want to control your privacy setting in a more detail, what you have to do is go to Settings again and search for Privacy Settings. Select the option of Privacy. Now that you are here in this page, you can see your activities, and under it you can see who can see your future posts, stories, and reels. For this, what you have to do is click on it. Now you may choose the audience for your future posts. You can select public, friends, or if you wish to hide your future posts from a certain person, a certain people, what you have to do is click on Friends Accept. And from the list, you have to select people and friends who you do not want to share your public posts and future posts with. It is the same process for posts, stories, and reels. Now, if you wish to hide the pages and the lists that you follow, you just have to click on it. Again, select one of the options that you prefer, and you're good to go.